He's asking about Losartan for high blood pressure because obviously they are now promoting widely, which you have been saying for years, that Losartan carries significant cancer risks.
Yeah, not only Losartan, also ranitidine. Ranitidine, Zantac. Diba? Nakikita ninyo. Here in the US, there's a lot of medications that they are recalling right now.
A lot of lawsuits, class action lawsuits against these medications.
Yes, dinidemanda nila yung mga pharmaceutical companies here in the US.
And they pay a fine and go on business as usual. So what would you recommend to her? What would you recommend rather for high blood pressure and heart enlargement?
Ito po, nasagot ko na. I already answered this question, but I will answer it again. Garlic, ginger, lemongrass tea, yan po. Tapos pixie dust, yan. Maganda po yan sa puso natin. So, epiroa, okay.
Hypertension.
Hypertension, okay. So, you have essential hypertension. Ayan. So, essential, pag naririnig mo, ano ibig sabihin ng essential? Ibig sabihin, hindi nila alam kung ano yung dahilan, bakit ka nagkaroon ng hypertension. That's why it's called essential hypertension. And 90% to 95% of hypertension is essential in nature. So, they really do not know. Yan. And majority is secondary. So, either meron kang kidney problems, so tumataas yung hypertension mo, but majority of that is really essential. So, the best always is garlic and ginger and lemongrass. Okay, you need the diuretic. Actually, back then, honey, when they were starting with hypertensive medication in 1900s, they would give diuretics. Primarily diuretics for hypertensive patients. So it's always better to pee because if you decrease the hydrostatic pressure, you decrease also the pressure in the body. And again, magnesium. Okay, so kapag kumakain ka ng mga foods that are rich in magnesium, of course, it will relax your blood vessels. And nitric oxide, di ba last time I talked about nitric oxide, di ba? Where you get this food from green leafy vegetables and then you eat them and then the nitrates, okay, it is converted in the mouth to nitrite, okay, because of the bacteria in your mouth, and it goes to your small intestines and it will be acted by your acidity, hydrochloric acid in your stomach. And from nitrite, it will go to nitric oxide. And the nitric oxide has a vasodilatory property, which is good for the heart, okay, for the brain, and it can kill cancer cells. Okay, nitric oxide. So, tingnan yung mabuti, ha? Okay, yun po ang pinakamaganda sa hypertension.